India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, today international and national news is brought to you by R500 from VI Jasper. International news. Japan's earthquake told us to 128 as poor weather slowed down to rescue operations. National news. India and Maldives diplomatic tension after escalate to after high-level meetings in Maldives. Today's State and Sport News is brought to you by SVI of VI Jasper. State News. Revant Reddy held to review Praja Palana and launch a website for security. Sport News. Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma are returning to India for T20 I squad against Afghanistan with Sharma leading the team. Thank you.
Weather report is brought to you by VI Jasper from VI Jasper. Weather report. Maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Mostly sound.
And today's thought of the day is brought to you by B. Swati from grade 6 Jasper. Thought of the day. A journey of 1,000 miles beginning with a single step. Meaning, no matter how big your goals are, you can achieve them if you take one step at a time. Thank you.
Today's word is brought to you by B. Ritvik from grade 6 Jasper. Today's word, lavish. It means it is an adjective which means luxurious. Friends, please spell after me. Lavish. Lavish. Thank you. I am Kesha of grade 6 Jasper to update you with new amazing facts. Fact number 1. An Indian lady, Savitri Phule, was the first female teacher in the world. She was also a social reformer who actively worked for women's rights. Fact number 2. Babar Ali is the youngest teacher in India. Fact number 3. Social science are considered soft science as they use qualitative method of analysis. Fact number 4. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, found the sea route to India in 1498. Fact number 5. Bhutan is the only country which has included gross happiness index for measurement of country development. Fact number 6. Bangalore is considered as the technology capital of India. Fact number 7. Luxembourg is the richest country in the world. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's article on Vishwa Hindi Divas or World Hindi Day is brought to you by Rupa of grade 6 Jasper. Vishwa Hindi Divas or World Hindi Day is celebrated every year on 10th January to promote the Hindi language all around the world. Whereas Hindi Divas is celebrated on 14th September annually, which focuses largely on the recognition of the Hindi language in India. It was first celebrated in 2006 to commemorate the anniversary of the first World Hindi Conference, which was held in Nagpur on 10th January 1975. It marks the day when Hindi was first spoken in the United Nations General Assembly in 1949. It is also celebrated by Indian embassies located in various parts of the world. The World Hindi Secretariat building was inaugurated in Port Louis, Mauritius in 2018. The purpose of this day is to create awareness about the Indian language and promote it as a global language around the world. It is also used to create awareness about the usage of the Indian language and about the issue persisting around the usage and promotions of the Hindi language. Hindi got its name from the Persian word Hindi meaning land of the Indus River. Turk invaders in the early 11th century named the language of the land of the Indus River. It is the official language of India, English being the other official language. Hindi is also spoken in some countries outside India such as Mauritius, Fiji, Suriname, Guyana, Trinidad and Tobago and Nepal. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's latest position got by Shankar to the state COVID case starting between 475 cases reported. Sports news. Dragon top Pondicherry and Delhi 9 wickets during. Thank you, Today my name is Ishan. Today I am telling weather report. Minimum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Mostly sunny. Thanks so much. Today amazing fact for you. Amazing fact. The human brain approximately 75% of water. Thank you. Questions are brought to you. GK questions 1 to 5 brought to you by Raj from II Hazel. Question for grade 1. What is the national bird of India? Yes, you pick the right answer. And the answer is peacock. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 2. Which is the largest state in India by area? Yes, you pick the right answer. And the answer is Rajasthan. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 3. Which 64